Hi, Riley.
Hi.
Luna. Riley, come here. Ready?
Puppies.
Luna. Ready?
Puppies, sit. Oh, I'm gonna make a sit. Hang on. Oh.
Go get
Riley.
Go get
Luna. Hey, puppy, sit. Sit. Sit, Luna. Riley, sit. 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 Wait. Sit. 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 Stay.
Riley, sit. Oh my God, you're terrible. You have no manners. None. Say hi to Sherry.
Hi, Sherry.
Hi, Sherry.
He misses you.
Fish hard.
Fish hard and often.
Let's go, puppy. Good girl.
Luna, you're so cute.
Let's go. You ready? Hey. Go ahead.
She's still a dwarf, as you can see. Sherry.
She's totally gotten bigger though, man.
Still a midget.
Come on, puppy.
Certifiably a midget.
Maybe she could be like a midget therapy dog.
Yeah, you're right.
And make them
Actually,
feel
make
better
them feel
about
better.
themselves.
That's not a bad idea.
I think that's more insulting.
We don't let you
Here's
see
your
regular
midget
dogs.
dog.
Luna,
Hi. Hi.
We only let you have therapy with midget dogs. Because, you know, you're a midget.
I'm all for it.
Hi, puppies. Puppy, come here.
Cause you're my best friend.
Girl,
Good girl,
Luna.
Luna.
Yeah.
Right on the line. It's in. It's in. Luna, ready? Go ahead.
Robin Big.
Go get it, Luna. Ready, go get it.
Riley wants Luna to chase her.
Ready?
This files their nails down like mad. You notice? I'm like, did you cut Luna's nails? And he's like, no. I'm like, it's a tennis
I
court.
didn't notice that. That's pretty funny.
Come on, puppy. Luna, Luna.
They are so freaking cute. Hi, girls.
Luna!
Jesus.
It's okay.
That's not cool.
You're being a bitch, Luna.
Hey.
Luna, off.
I love that you guys call your dog names.
She doesn't know.
Don't get used to that, because when you have kids, you're gonna be like, "Come here, you little bitch."
Drop it. Hey. Ready, puppy?
She's so funny. Like she's